Now let us see about class methods. Class methods are nothing but they are self methods. They can be called with the class name itself. The objects created to that class cannot access these methods, but the class can access the methods. So how to create a class method? Let us say student. Now let us define. So to create a class method, you should write self dot and then the function name. Let us say fees. Puts anything. End. Def. Let us create one more self. Let us say rules. Puts like no rules. End. So when we can use these class methods, so we should have to hide some data to the objects. So if you create an object now or an instance, student.new, now these methods are hidden to the object. The fees, rules, or whatever you want, you can hide the methods to the user, but it can be accessed by the class itself. So how we cannot call like a dot fees, error, a dot self dot fees, it will give error. But these methods can be called using the class name student dot fees. What is the fees? The class can know. It is 1500. Student dot, what was the another one? Rules. So like this we create a class method with starting the keyword called self.rules. So in the previous video you have seen the how to create a class variable. So class variable is access to all the objects. So in the previous example we have created two objects, but the count is applicable to all the objects. So that is the difference. Here we are creating the class method. Methods are accessible by the class name itself. Just remember that for now. Hope you understood. Meet you in the next video.